I've tried almost everything to get rid of mosquitoes in my backyard. Today, I'm sharing what actually works so you too can eliminate these annoying pests. The trick I've learned is to set up what's called a bucket of doom. This bucket of doom is a mosquito's best friend, but also their worst nightmare. Here's what you'll want to do. Grab an extra bucket you have around the house. Maybe add a little subtle message to the bucket letting the mosquitoes know that you mean business. I'm just kidding. But now, seriously, add some organic material like grass or leaves to your bucket. I like to use some extra wood chips and dead leaves from my garden. After you've added these materials, fill up your bucket about halfway full with water. The goal is to create an irresistible swamp-like environment for the mosquitoes. And just like that, your bucket is now ready to add the magic ingredient, which is a mosquito dunk. How this product works is the dunk dissolves gradually over time in the bucket. As it dissolves, it releases a natural bacteria, which is known as BTI. Mosquitoes are attracted to the swamp-like conditions you've created in the bucket, and when they flock to the bucket to lay their eggs, when the mosquito larvae hatch, they eat the bacteria from the mosquito dunk and they don't survive. That means that the next generation of mosquitoes won't exist, and you'll effectively stop the mosquito life cycle. These mosquito dunks are a game changer. I'll link these in the description box. After doing some research, the great news about these is that they're considered non-toxic to humans and pets. And you only need about a quarter of one dunk for your bucket. So go ahead and break up the mosquito dunk into 4 equal pieces. Drop one piece of the mosquito dunk into the bucket. You can see that the mosquito dunk will float and gradually release the mosquito fighting bacteria into the water. Now, for safety precautions, it's a good idea to secure the top of the bucket for children and animal protection. You can do this by drilling 4 holes in your bucket and attaching a piece of chicken wire on top. After drilling my holes, I'm taking thin zip ties and securing the chicken wire to the bucket through the holes. And it's that easy. Place your finished bucket of doom in a shady place in the backyard where you've noticed mosquitoes. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and watch the bucket of doom work its magic while you get to enjoy the great outdoors without getting eaten alive by feisty mosquitoes. For more gardening and outdoor related tips and tricks, I invite you to subscribe. And I think you'll like this video where I share all about how to protect your garden from different animals. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.